Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Nubit airdrop. Now Nubit is secured by Bitcoin and is backed by Polychain, and they have managed to raise the overall funding of around 12 million US dollars. Now the farming this airdrop is pretty simple, and I will guide you with the exact steps as to what all you will need to do in order to go ahead and farm this airdrop. Now before we move on to Nubit airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens on a centralized exchange and also deal in futures, then you can sign up on Bybit if you don't have an account using my referral link in the description, where it will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is $30,000. And alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505, both of them in the description. And also, if you want the crypto content in Hindi language, you can go ahead and subscribe to my another channel, which is Altcoin India Hindi. Now, in order to farm the Nubit airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to have a Kepler wallet. Now, if you don't have a Kepler wallet, you can go to Google, search for Kepler wallet and add it to your Chrome browser. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and add the Nubit chain to your Kepler wallet. So simply go ahead and search for Nubit over here, click on search. So I think I will need to go ahead and refresh this over here and simply type in Nubit, and as you can see you will get the option to add this Nubit alpha to your Kepler wallet. Now I have already added this. Now all you have to do is you will need to go to this faucet over here, faucet.nubit.org, all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now simply head to Kepler wallet over here and search for Nubit over here and copy this address over here and simply go ahead and paste it over here and click on get new. Now as you can see, I have already claimed it in the past 24 hours, and that's the reason why it's not allowing me to go ahead and claim it. But if you are doing it for the first time, you would be able to go ahead and claim this. Now once you have Nubit in your Kepler wallet, all you have to do is you can go to this explorer over here, Nubit explorer, and you can basically go ahead and check for the latest transactions. So let me go ahead and refresh this once over here. Now what you can do is you can go to any transactions over here, for example this one, and as you can see there is the signer details over here. Simply go ahead and copy this and then go to your Kepler wallet and search for Nubit over here. Click on this and click on send. Simply paste the address over here and the amount. So for example, I only have like 0.01 new tokens as of now, so I will go ahead and maybe put 0.001. So as you can see, the transaction fee itself is like 0.002 new. So I will simply go ahead and click on next over here and click on approve. Now once this is done, one transaction is done, generated on the Nubit chain for you. Similarly, repeat this process like around 10 to 15 times in order to be potentially eligible for Nubit airdrop. Now apart from this, what you can do is basically you can go to their Galaxy campaigns over here, follow them on Galaxy, and basically try to complete all of this campaign over here. So as you can see, they have this Nubit Genesis campaign and also Alpha Testnet Community Assemble. So simply go ahead and complete both of this, and then you might be potentially qualify for Nubit airdrop. So this is all for this video with regards to Nubit airdrop farming. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.